Hi guys, this is version 3. It's a jam jar with a piece of balloon stretched over the top and a drinking straw attached to that, so when the air pressure changes the centre of the balloon will rise up or go down. Because the drinking straw is pivoted, then at that end it will move much further than it does at this end, so we do get some readings, but they're inconsistent again, I think is the best way I can put it. Rather like versions 1 and 2, I'm getting some overlaps. So it gives you a general idea, but it's not going to give us any accurate measurements. I've got the thermometer there as well, so I could measure the pressure and the temperature to see if that showed a variance. But I'm not getting any consistent results. So we're going to have to move on to version 4. I'll show you what I've done, the clips where I've tracked it. I've even got a bit of time lapse there. But it's not as good as I was hoping. So we'll have to have a look at version 4 sometime. Well, that's interesting. Before I went to bed last night I looked at this and it was right up here. And the air pressure really hadn't changed at all. This morning the air pressure is actually about 30.4 something. And it seems to have come back more or less level. So I think the big movement last night was probably just the jar settling to the cold surface and the air pressure being adjusted by the temperature. So I think I probably shouldn't have written the pressure on there when I did it, because we needed to let it settle. The readings I'm getting are not consistent. They sort of generally look like they're going in the right direction, but I do get some of them overlapping, so the figures don't match. We've got 30.55 there, and then 30.38 is above it, but 30.45 is below it, and 30.42 is lower down still. I did try checking the temperature at the same time, which is why we've got the thermometer next to it in case that was making a difference, and it might be. I think the bottom line is it gives us an indication, but it's not particularly accurate. So interesting to look at, but we need to do more work if we want some form of accuracy.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.